Hi, Manny Wallace here, and I've been dealing with Boca Dental here for a while, and the more I deal with them, the more I understand what a scam they truly are, or at least seem to be to me. So anyways, what I want to do here is I'm going to take a good shot of the inside of my mouth, and just to let you know, all the teeth were on my bottom before he started. Now I'm missing As you can see, I have a fair amount of bottom teeth missing now. We have paid him over $10,000, and basically what I've gotten for my $10,000 is my front bridge, which he put in, and nothing else. And I have a question for that dentist that I would seriously like to ask him in front of a judge. I won't put it on here, but there is a question that needs to go in front of a judge. And in any case, that's probably what I'm after at this point, is to put him in front of a judge, because as far as I'm concerned, that's where he needs to be. Thank you.